Sentence of the day! Sentence of the day! Editor is everything. Sentence of the day! The sentence of the day is: she sells seashells by the seashore. Or, she used to refer to a woman, girl, or female animal. These mentioned or easily identified. Sell is to give or hand over in exchange for money. Persuade someone or of the merits of, etc. Seashells, the shell of a marine mollusk. Identifying the agent performing an action. The means denoting one or more people or things already been mentioned. And seashore is also known as an area of sandy, stony, or rocky land bordering level with the sea. Seashells. She sells seashells by the seashore. It's the sentence of the day, or also known as words of the day.